get your autograph. That's Rex, dude. That's Rex. You'll see him around. Watch. He's pretty famous, dude.
Stand on the corner where our other spot is like an idea. What's going on, guys? We're here at the IM show in here in Anaheim, California. I'm going to introduce you to Zach. He owns this Evo 8. He's one of our ambassadors straight from Hawaii coming here to SoCal.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Zach, and I drive a Mitsubishi Evo 8, and I have a R1 Concepts big brake kit in anodized red with black lettering, 6 piston in the front, 4 in the rear. This is a wide-body Voltex kit, and for my interior, I got red seats, collaborated with Voltex, and a custom steering wheel and a KDN shifter. And now for my rear, I have a Auto Power half cage in candy red, and also a backseat delete by Backyards Projects with the door cards as well. So yeah, guys, this is my Evo 8, and I hope that you guys like this build as much as I do, and see you guys on the next one.
Nissan with a 240Z, Paulo Taboro. Nissan first place with an R35, Paul Lee, R35. Best EV with an R32, Eric Dutson. Super Street Award goes to Supra, Leo Barretts. Best team, Garage Life. Thank you for your patience. We thank everyone for coming to Island America 2024, first one in the US.